Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, this video from Intermediate Second Year Zoology, that is from Unit 2B friends. Excretory products and their elimination. What is our question friends? Describe the role of liver, lungs and skin in excretion. Describe the role of what friends? Liver, lungs and skin in excretion friends. You know friends, the main excretory organs are kidneys. Kidneys excrete nitrogenous waste products in the form of urea or uric acid or ammonia from the vertebrate's body. In addition to kidneys, some more organs like liver, lungs and skin also help in excretion. Now you have to write what is the role of lungs, liver and skin in in excretion only friends. Okay, now we'll take come one by one friends. Along with kidneys, friends, see, along with kidneys, other organs like liver, lungs and skin also help in elimination of excretory waste or simply also help in excretion. Now first you take lungs friends. You know lungs are the respiratory organs. Okay. What is their main function friends? They eliminate carbon dioxide. See friends, lungs eliminates 18 liters of carbon dioxide per day. 18 liters of carbon dioxide per day. That is their main role. In addition to carbon dioxide, these lungs are also eliminating or excreting or sending out. What are those friends? Some water in the form of water vapor in resting conditions. See friends, lungs are eliminating some water in the form of what friends? In the form of water vapor in the resting conditions. During resting conditions, lungs eliminate some water in the form of water vapor. See friends, second one, more water in the form of water vapor during summer or during dry days friends. So some water during resting conditions, more water in the summer or during the dry days friends. So lungs eliminate more water in the form of water vapor, during summer. See friends, last one, the important one friends. Lungs also eliminate volatile materials like ethanol. Volatile means what friends? Evaporate. Volatile materials like what friends? Ethanol, acetone and isopropanol. Friends, this is for NEET and MCET. Lungs also eliminate volatile materials like ethanol, acetone and isopropanol etc. So friends, lungs are eliminating some water in the form of water vapor during normal conditions, more water in the form of water vapor during summer or during dry days, and also eliminating volatile materials like ethanol, acetone and isopropanol. That is about the lungs friends. Now come to liver friends. You know, liver is the largest gland of the body. Out of all glands, liver is the largest gland friends, both endocrine and exocrine. You have to stay friends. Out of all glands, the liver is the largest gland of the body. It has an important role in digestion, but here you forget about that function friends. What is the role of the liver in the excretion? See friends, it helps in the conversion of hemoglobin of dead RBCs. See friends, dead RBC, you know RBC has hemoglobin friends. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days. After 120 days, they die friends. The hemoglobin of the dead RBCs converted into bile pigments, friends. What are those bile pigments, friends? Bilirubin and biliverdin. So liver plays an important role in the formation of bile pigments. These bile pigments are formed from the hemoglobin of the dead red blood cells. How many types of bile pigments are there? Two types, friends. Bilirubin and biliverdin. Once again, friends, liver helps in the conversion of hemoglobin of dead red blood cells into bile pigments, friends, into bile pigments like bilirubin and biliverdin. Important, friends. Liver helps in the conversion of hemoglobin of dead red blood cells into bile pigments like bilirubin and biliverdin. See, friends, these bile pigments along with bile enter into the alimentary canal. You know, friends, bile enter into the alimentary canal for conversion of fats, okay, for the emulsification of fats. So along with bile, these bile pigments also enter into the alimentary canal. These bile pigments along with bile enter into alimentary canal and excreted out or adjusted out through the fecal matter. You know, friends, what is the color of the fecal matter? That is brownish in color. That is due to these bile pigments only, friends. That is due to bilirubin and biliverdin. You have to remember it, friends. Okay. Now, liver also excretes the following. In addition to bile pigments, liver also excretes some more substances, friends. What are those, friends? It excretes cholesterol. It excretes degraded products of the steroid hormones. It excretes cholesterol. It excretes degraded products of the steroid hormones. Next, friends, certain vitamins and drugs via bile. So liver also excretes cholesterol, degraded products of the steroid hormones. Next, friends, certain vitamins and drugs. This is about the role of liver in the excretion. Okay, friends. Now come to the skin, friends. Third one. Simple question, friend. This is skin. It is the organ, largest organ in the body. It protects our body. In addition to that, it also helps in excretion. So how it helps in excretion, friends? Skin has two types of glands. These glands help in excretion. What are those two glands, friends? Sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Now you see the normal function of the sweat glands and sebaceous glands. Sweat glands secrete sweat. That sweat maintains the body temperature or it keeps the body cool. What about sebaceous glands, friends? Sebaceous glands secrete an oil, that is sebum. It keeps the skin smooth or soft. That is the function of the sweat glands and sebaceous glands. But here you have to write the excretory function of the skin, friends. Come to sweat glands, friends. These glands secrete sweat. Sweat is a watery fluid. You know, friends, sweat is a watery fluid. Sebum is an oily fluid. So sweat glands secrete sweat, you know it. Sweat is a watery fluid. This sweat helps in excretion of waste like sodium chloride, small amounts of urea, friends, and lactic acid, etc. The sweat has what, friends? NaCl, small amounts of urea and lactic acids. That is the role of sweat glands or skin in the excretion. Now come to sebaceous glands, friends. These glands secrete sebum. Sebum is an oily fluid. It helps in excretion of sterols, hydrocarbons, waxes through sebum. Sebaceous glands secrete sebum. Sebum is an oily fluid. The sebaceous glands helps in excretion of sterols, hydrocarbons, waxes. Sterols, hydrocarbons, waxes. Through what, friends? Through sebum. Okay, friends, this is about the role of the lungs, liver and skin in the excretion, friends. Okay, friends, thank you. Good day, friends.